On the northern edge of Bintan lies Pengudang, a small village where nature and community are deeply connected. Led by Iwan Winarto, the grassroots NGO protects mangroves, corals and local livelihoods. I visited in September 2025 to understand this balance between people, environment and the wider Bintan economy. Here, even challenges like waste and driftwood become art and sustainable building. Universities from Singapore and beyond bring students to plant mangroves and restore corals, turning Pengudang into a living classroom. Life at sea continues on kelong platforms while villagers farm corals,
sea cucumber,
and replant mangroves to protect their coast. Women lead in ecotourism, handicrafts and reforestation. Sustainability improves the whole village. Pengudang is not just a destination, but a story of resilience and hope. Walk with us alongside Iwan, Pak Madun, the laughing hermit, building a driftwood castle, Udin, the fisherman and homestay host, and young farmer Mieno, striving to expand crops for his village and beyond. Together, they unleash concealed strengths of Bintan's people.